Hi friends, good morning to everyone. Welcome to my channel Belagali's class. Belagali's class. Friends, we are doing with vectors. That too, we are doing with cross product of two vectors. Cross product of two vectors. Yes, definition is given. Formula to find what? A cross B, that formula is done, and so many examples also we have done, properties examples. The next part is geometrical meaning of A cross B, cross product. 1 minute, my friends. Just I will remind the definition of cross product, vector or cross product. A cross B equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine theta into eta cap. Eta cap. What is eta cap? Eta cap is the unit vector in a direction perpendicular to both vectors A and B, or perpendicular to the plane containing the vectors A and B. Then this is the practical formula. If A equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k, then A cross B equal to determinant first row ijk, second row scalar components of the first vector A, third row scalar components of the second vector B, scalar components B1, B2, B3. You know the magnitude of A is square root of, it is what? Sum of squares of again scalar components. A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. Just my friends, it is a reminder. Then, yes my friends, see. Now, the next part of this cross product is geometrical meaning of A cross B. You mean cross product. Geometrical meaning of cross product A cross B. If the vectors A and B represent the adjacent sides of a parallelogram, my friends, this is the parallelogram. What about vectors A and B? They are the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram OABC. Then this magnitude of A cross B represents the area of a parallelogram, Therefore, my friends, area of the parallelogram OABC equal to magnitude of A cross B. My friends, this is the formula. This is parallelogram. My friends, if you join this diagonal, AC, then it becomes what? A triangle. My friends. Yes. Next, area of the triangle OAC, my friends. Area of the triangle OAC. Again, two of its adjacent sides are vectors A and B. These are the adjacent sides of the triangle OAC. These are the two adjacent sides represented by the vectors A and B, whose adjacent sides are vectors A and B. Then what is this area? Shaded. It is half the parallelogram OABC. But what is the area of the parallelogram? Magnitude of A cross B. Therefore, area of the triangle OAC is half the magnitude of A cross B. Yes, my friends, remember these two formula. Area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are the vectors A and B is given as magnitude of A cross B, and area of the triangle OAC whose adjacent sides are the vectors A and B is given as half the magnitude of A cross B. Yes, my friends, I do some examples based on this. Yes. This is the first example, my friends. Find the area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are the vectors A equal to I minus j plus 3k and vector B equal to 2i minus 7j plus k. Yes, A cross B, determinant I, j, k, first row, scalar components of the vector A 1 minus 1, 3, scalar components of the vector B 2 minus 7, 1. This is a determinant. What is the rest, my friends? Evaluation of this determinant, you have to attach plus sign, then move alternatively with plus minus plus. Plus I into, leave the elements of the first row, first column, minus 1, minus of minus, plus 21, minus j into, leave the elements of the first row, second column, 1 minus 6, plus k into, elements of the first row, last column, minus 7, plus 2. Simplify, 21 minus 1, 20 into I, minus 5 plus 1, minus 5 with minus 5, minus j plus. This is minus 5, minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5 with k is minus 5k. What is the observation? 5 is common, left inside the bracket. 4i plus j minus k. Now, magnitude of A cross B, this is A cross B, magnitude square of this inside 4 square plus 1 square plus minus 1 square, root square 5, square 16 plus 2 is 18, can be written as 9 into 2. Again square root of 3, 9 is 3 into root 2. 5 into 3 is 15, root 2 is what? Magnitude of A cross B. Then what is the area of the parallelogram? Area of the parallelogram is magnitude of A cross B is magnitude of A cross B whose value is 15 root 2. Area means its units are square units. 15 into root 2 square units, my friends. This is simple. Once again, you have to find with the help of the vectors A cross B, convert in terms of determinants, evaluate it, get the value of what? Magnitude of A cross B. Then this is the formula to find area of a parallelogram. Magnitude. Substitute the value of that magnitude A cross B. Area means it is square units, my friends. This is one example. And this is the example that you must do it yourselves, DIY. Then I do this example. What is it? Find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Yes, my friends. You complete, I give 2 minutes. You complete these things. I do the rest. Yes, friends, hope completed. This is the formula. These are the examples. This is for do it yourself. Then I do this example, this area of the triangle. Even in finding the area of the triangle, first we must find A cross B. Then half of that will be area. Only magnitude of A cross B will be area of the parallelogram. Yes, my friends, I do that example. Area of the triangle. Yes, friends. This is the factor A. Factor A is 3i plus 2z minus 2k. That down example of the area of the triangle. Factor B is I plus 3z. I plus 3z plus k. Plus k. Then A cross B. Then A cross B is a determinant. My friends, first row I z k. Second row components of first factor, components of third factor. You know the evaluation plus minus plus. My friends, this is I into first row, first column 2 minus of minus is plus 6 minus j into first row, middle column 3 plus 2 into 1 plus k into first row, last column. This is 9. This is 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Yes, friends, simplify it. Simplify it. This is 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 2, this is 5j. This is plus 7k. 9 minus 2. So, this is A cross B. Wanted magnitude of A cross B, which is square root of 8 square plus minus 5 square plus 7 square equal to, my friends, it is square root. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4 is 18. 18, 1, 5, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 6, 13. 13. I will do once again, my friends. 6 plus 2, this and this. This is 2 plus 6 minus j into first row, second column 3 plus 2 plus k into first row, last 9 minus 2. 6 plus 2 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7. Magnitude square, square, square. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4 is 18. 1, 5, 7 plus 6 is 30. Therefore, area of the triangle is half the magnitude of A cross B, which is 1 by 2 times square root 132 square units. This is area of the triangle, my friends. Area of the triangle. Yes, friends, copy it. Yes, friends. Next example is copy it. Next example is find the area of the triangle. This is example 3. Find area of the triangle whose vertices are are the position vectors are the position vectors first 2i plus 4j minus k, second I plus 2j minus 3k, and third vertex is 3i plus j plus 2k. Yes, my friends, this is the triangle ABC. This is the triangle ABC. ABC. These are two adjacent sides, AB and AC. AB and AC are the two adjacent sides. But what is given? Let O be the origin of reference. O be the origin of reference. Then, friends, given position vector of the first vertex A, OA, is given as first vector 2i plus 4j minus k. Second vector OB is given as I plus 2j minus 3k, and OC is given as 3i plus j plus 2k. Yes, my friends, you wanted the sides AB and AC, only these two adjacent sides. Now side AB equal to, this is what? This is OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Tell my friends, this is OB, this is OA. OB minus OA is, tell, I minus 2i plus 2j minus 4j minus 3k plus k, minus 3k plus k. Yes. Next is factor AC. This factor AC is factor OC minus OA equal to, tell, OC minus OA 3i minus 2i plus j minus 4j next plus 2k, minus of minus is plus k. Yes, my friends. This is AB, this is AC. Then you have to find what? AB cross AC first. You have to find AB cross AC. This is a determinant IJK, first row. Then components of AB minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Components of AC, 1, minus 3 plus 3, 1, minus 3 plus 3, plus 3. I into first row, first column, minus 6, again minus 6, minus j into, leave the elements of the first row, second column, minus 3 plus 2, plus 2, plus k into, tell friend. Leave the elements of the first row, last column. Minus of minus is plus 3 plus 2. Plus 3 plus 2. Equal to minus 12i. Minus 1 with minus j. This is plus 5k. Then you find the magnitude of AB cross AC. Magnitude of AB cross AC. Magnitude of AB cross AC. Equal to, it is square root of 12 square plus 1 square plus 5 square. Yes friends, it is square root of 5 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 10, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, this is 1 itself. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is half magnitude of AB cross AC. It is AB cross AC, which is half into. What is this? This is square root 170 or square root 170 upon 2 square units. This is area of the triangle. This is area of the triangle ABC. Yes, my friends. Copy it. Copy it. Yes, my friends, in this case, position vectors of the vertices are given. ABC are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Position vectors are given. Position vectors of ABC are given by these vectors. Therefore, my friends, if O be the origin of reference, position vector of the point A, vertex A is this. Vertex B, vertex C. Look at this. Either you can take ABAC or you can take BABC or you can take CACB, any one pair, adjacent sides. Taken AB and AC. AB, again by the result, OB minus OA. Yes, this AC, OC minus OA, simplification. Then you find what? Factor. This is AB cross AC. What is AB cross AC? Determinant Ijk. Components of the first factor minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Components of the next factor means second vector AC 1 minus 3 plus 3. Evaluation of this determinant, which is this AB cross AC. Then you have to find its magnitude. Magnitude of AB cross AC. A1 square 12 square plus A2 square 1 square plus A3 square 5 square. If you add it, it is 170. Now by the formula, area of the triangle ABC is half the magnitude of this. Substituting gives square units. Square units. Yes, my friends. Next example is example 4. Example 4. Right. Find the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle whose vertices are yes, they are given in the form of a points now. A coordinates are 1, 1, 2. B coordinates are 2, 3, 5. And C is 1, 5, 5. Yes, friends. This is the triangle ABC. Yes, my friends, this is triangle ABC. Vertices are given. This is A, this is B, this is C. Its vertex or to convert is there. Then once again, my friends, adjacent sides are AB and AC. What is the difference? Here directly the position factors are given, but here the points are given. Then you have to convert from this, my friends, you know this result. This result. Yes. If P is a point with coordinates x, y, z, then you know the position factor of the point P is x into I plus y into j plus z into k, and also the magnitude of factor OP is square root of it is x square plus y square plus z square. From the point to the position factor, then its magnitude. This we have done, my friends. Then, yes, let O be the origin of reference. O be the origin of reference. Origin of reference. Then position vector of the first vertex A, position vector of the first vertex A, convert from the point to ijk, 1 into I plus j plus 2k. Then OB it is 2I plus 3j plus 5k. This is factor OC. Factor OC is 1 into I plus 5j plus 5k. 5k. Yes, my friends. Next, factor AB, which by the result, position vector of the second point minus position vector of the first point OA. Yes. OB minus OA, 2I minus I, 3j minus j, 5k minus 2k plus 3k. This is factor AB. Next, factor AC. Again, result OC minus OA, OC, I minus I, 0 into I plus 5 minus 1, 4j. This is plus 5k minus 2k plus 3k. This is factor AB, factor AC. These are nothing but what? Two adjacent sides of a triangle ABC. Two adjacent sides of a triangle ABC. Then you have to find its cross product. Find its cross product. Yes, my friends. Now, AB cross AC. AB cross AC is a determinant IJK. Components of AB 1, 2, 3. Components of AB 1, 2, 3. Components of AC 0, 4, 3. Yes, my friends. Rest is what? Evaluation of this determinant plus minus plus. You are very well trained with evaluation of the determinant I into. Leave the elements of the first row, first column, cross 6, minus cross is 12, minus j into. Leave the elements of the first row, second column, 3, minus 0, plus k into. First row, last column, this is 4 minus 0. Simplified, minus 12i minus 3j plus 4k. Then you have to find the magnitude. Magnitude of AB cross AC. Yes, friend, this is square root of minus 12 whole square minus 3 whole square plus 4 whole square equal to 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6, 1. It is square root 169. Therefore, area of the triangle ABC is half the magnitude of AB cross AC, which is half. Its value is 169. Area units, square units. Square units. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Look at it. Look at it. Do. This is minus 6. Minus 6 the whole square is 36. Minus 6 the whole square is 36. Yes, friends. This is 6 plus 6, 12 plus 9 is 21. 2. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yes, my friends, this is 61 square units. 61 square units. Please you do this correction. 6 minus 12 is not minus 12, it is minus 6. Done mistake at this step. Corrected. Square. Then addition will be 61, not 169, 61. Yes, my friends, please do that correction. Do that correction. Next, one similar example, my friends. One similar example. You do it. You do it. Yes, this is DIY. Find the area of the triangle. The area of the triangle whose vertices are the points A, whose coordinates are 1, 2, 3, B, whose coordinates are 2, 5, 1, C, whose coordinates are minus 1, 1, 2. Parallel to this, my friends, do it. Do it. Next example is yes. Find the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. Rectangle having the vertices having the vertices A, B, C, whose position vectors are first minus I plus half j plus 4k. B is I plus half j plus 4k, and C first. C is I minus half j plus 4k, and D, C and D, and D. D is minus I minus half J plus 4K. Plus 4K. Yes, my friends. The friend given, these are the position, these are respectively. This is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. Yes, my friends. This is AB, CD. These are the adjacent sides, AB and AD. Adjacent sides are AB and AD. Yes, my friends. If OB is the origin of reference, this is the position vector of A, B, C, D. Yes, my friends. Let O be the origin of reference. O be the origin of reference. Origin of reference. Then given friend position vector of the first vertex OA. OA is this minus I plus half J plus 4K. Second vertex OB is I plus half J plus 4K. I plus half J plus 4K. OC, third vertex, OC is I minus half J plus 4K. I minus half J plus 4K. And OD, the fourth one, OD. This is minus I minus half J plus 4K. This is minus I minus half J plus 4K. My friends, this is the figure. Then you have to find the two adjacent sides. Yes, friend. One is AB, vector AB. Vector AB is OB minus OA. OB minus OA. I minus of minus is plus I. 2I. Half J minus half J. 0J. Plus 4K minus 4K. 0K. Then this is one side. What is the adjacent side is AD. Vector AD is OD minus OA. Second point minus first point equal to 10. This is OD minus OA minus I plus I, 0I. This is minus half J minus half J minus J plus 4K minus K is 0 into K. Then you have to find what? The cross product. This is AB cross AD. This is determinant I, J, K. This is 2, 0, 0. 0 minus 1, 0. Yes, friends, this is I into first row, first column, 0 minus 0 minus J into First row, second column, 0 minus 0 plus k into first row, last column, minus 2 minus 0. Minus 0. My friends, this is 0 into I minus or plus 0 into j minus 2k. Minus 2k. Then you have to take its magnitude. Therefore, magnitude of AB cross AD is square root of first is 0, second is 0, it is minus 2 the whole square is square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Therefore, area of the rectangle equal to, therefore, area of the rectangle, area of rectangle ABCD equal to 2 square units. 2 square units. Yes, my friends, copy it. Copy it. I hope it is clear. The friend given position vectors of the vertices as these. If OB the origin of reference, these are position vectors of the vertices. From the figure, what are the adjacent sides? AB and AD we have considered. Otherwise, you have to go for what? BA, BC like this, adjacent sides. We have taken AB, AD. AB, by result, OB minus OA. AD, OD minus OA. This factor, cross, determinant, evaluation of the determinant, plus minus plus. Yes, my friend, which is minus 2k. Magnitude, square of minus 2 is, whole square is 4, square root of 4 is 2. Then what is area of the rectangle is magnitude of AB cross AC is magnitude of AB cross AD. Yes, then which is 2 square units. Yes, my friends. Yes, my friends. Another is example 5 or 6. Yes, friends. Next example, I 5 or 6. Find the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. I write in a shortcut parallelogram whose diagonals are diagonals of a parallelogram are the factors 3i plus 2z plus 2k and I plus 2z minus 2k. These are the diagonals. Yes, my friends. Let D1 and D2 denotes the diagonals of a parallelogram. Then We know the formula. We know that area of the parallelogram is, this is the formula, half the magnitude of d1 cross d2, half the magnitude of d1 cross d2. Yes, friends, first you have to find this d1 cross d2. d1 cross d2. This is the determinant I, J, K. My friends, d1 means this. If you wanted, I write first d1, d2. Where first diagonal is this one, 3i plus 2j plus 2k d2. This is I plus 2j minus 2k. These are d1, d2. Yes, first you have to find d1 cross d2. Now d1 cross d2. This is the determinant I, J, K. Components of d1, 3, 2, 2. Components of d2, 1, 2, it is minus 2. Evaluation I into. Leave the elements of the first row, first column. Minus 4, minus 4. Minus j into. First row, second column. Minus 6, minus 2. This is minus 6, minus 2. Plus k into. First row, last column, it is 6 minus 2. My friends, minus 8 into I, minus 8 into minus j, plus 6 minus 4, minus 2, plus 4k. What is common? 4 is common. 4 is common. Left inside the bracket, minus 2i, plus 2j, plus k. Then you take the magnitude of d1 cross d2. Magnitude of d1 cross d2. Square root 4 square minus 2 the whole square plus 2 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. It is square root of 4 square is 4. 4 plus 1, which is 4 into 3 means it is 12. It is 12. Therefore, this is 12, my friends. By the formula, therefore, area of the parallelogram is half magnitude of d1 cross d2, which is half into 12. Half into 12 is 6 units, squared units. Squared units. Copy it, my friends. I will explain once again. Example is, my friends, find the area of the parallelogram whose diagonals, in this case instead of adjacent sides, the friend is given diagonals of a parallelogram. If it is the parallelogram, its diagonals are given. This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. These diagonals are represented by the factors 3i plus 2j plus 2k and I plus 2j minus 2k, represented by these factors. If d1 and d2 denotes the diagonals of a parallelogram, this is the formula. Area of the parallelogram is half magnitude of d1 cross d2, where d1 is first one, d2 is second one. First we have to find d1 cross d2. Again, determinant written ijk, components of d1, components of d2. Evaluation of the determinant I into. Leave the elements of the first row, first column, minus 4, minus j into. First row, second column, minus 6, minus 2, plus k into 6 minus 2, minus 8i, minus with minus is plus 8j plus 4k. 4 is common, you got left. Magnitude, you know the formula, 4 square into square of the means scalar components. 4 plus 1, which is 9. Square root 4, square root of 9 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Then, what is the area of the parallelogram? Half the magnitude of this. Half into 12 is 6 square units. Yes, my friends. Today, in this class, we have considered the geometrical meaning of what? Cross product, A cross B. Geometrically, A cross B represents area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are the factors A and B. Vectors A and B. Magnitude of the factors A and B. Then half, if you join one diagonal, you get what? 2 triangles. Then each triangle is what? Half of the area of the parallelogram, which formula is half magnitude of A cross B. Then, my friends, I have done some varieties of examples on area of a parallelogram, area of a triangle, area of a rectangle. All these varieties given in your textbook, my friends. CBSE or NCERT book. From that, all these examples, my friends, I have done. Again, these examples according to the wish of the examiner. Either you make it under 2 mark, otherwise you make it under 3 mark questions. 3 mark questions. Yes, my friends. Today, this much is enough with this class. Yes, my friends. Thank you very much. Please prepare nicely. Everything is made clear. Refer the videos. Then you copy the notes, prepare the notes, and prepare for this. Yes, friends, saying this till to the next video, next class. Thank you. Bye, goodbye. Namaste, namaskara, my friends. Namaskar. Yes, my friends.